Why does our stomach growl? Our stomach growls due to a process called borborygmi, which occurs when gas and fluids move through the digestive tract. This happens for several reasons. When we are hungry, our brain signals the stomach to prepare for food, triggering muscle contractions that push air and digestive juices around, creating rumbling sounds. Even after eating, the digestive system continues breaking down food, which can also cause growling. An empty stomach amplifies these noises because there's less material to muffle the sound.